Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how I arrange my wardrobe. You'll see how I arrange my wardrobe. I'll arrange it very neatly because I don't want any trouble with my mom. My mom gets me when my wardrobe is disarranged. So sorry guys. So guys, this is my wardrobe. See how it's disarranged. So today I'm going to arrange it. Let's start. So this is my wardrobe and you can see how it's disarranged. So I'm going to start by removing them one by one the clothes. And I did forget something. Yeah. So this is the jeans area, the t-shirt area, and the sweater thing. You can see. So this charcoal jeans. Arrange the jeans area. Me, I arrange very fast. So I don't do so. This one stay here. So after we finish arranging the clothes, I'll show you how I clear bag. So so this is the t-shirt area. So we are arranging the t-shirts now. So where's the dress? So this is where we will keep our dresses, our tights, our trousers, our jeans, our sweaters. So let me arrange them very fast before my mom comes. Oh, my pajamas. Oh, sorry, there's another. Someone's knocking. So sorry for the distraction. So yeah. So there's another one there. Is it nice? Rate it out of 5, or you can rate it out of 10. So today, this is the only video for today. I'm going to arrange my wardrobe and I'm done arranging it. So thank you guys for watching this short video, and please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Bye. See you in the next video.